Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from a place that we haven't been and I feel like forever. We are at Dollar General and we're about to get into some quick and easy any day deals. So you can do these deals today or you can wait until Saturday and incorporate them in your 5 off of 25 scenario, your choice. Now, the reason I wanted to come in here today is because a lot of my accounts got a brand new 3 off of 15 coupon in the middle of the month, or kind of sort of towards the end of the month. This was just dropped on these accounts. I opened up my app and saw the 3 off of 15 that hadn't been there before. So not all accounts will have this coupon, but you definitely want to check and see if you do, because if so, you can do these deals today. You don't need to wait until Saturday. So the first deal I want to do is on the Arm & Hammer. And before I talk about the Arm & Hammer, I want to remind you guys how to find your 3 off of 15 coupon if you have one. You have to go in the Just For You section of your app. You can usually find this in the wallet, and then you want to hit that Just For You to see if that coupon appears. It will not typically just show up in your list of coupons. You need to check in that Just For You section. The Arm & Hammer is on a spend 15, save $5 instantly promo. So I want to combine that $5 in savings with that 3 off of 15. So you can do this deal however you want to do it. You just want to make sure to pick up $15 in Arm & Hammer. The way I'm going to do my deal is I'm going to pick up 4 bottles of detergent that are $4.25 each. So I'm going to get 3 of these kind, and I'm also going to get one with the purple top because that one attaches to the $1.50 digital coupon. The next thing we're grabbing is 3 of these Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So these are actually found in the $1 aisle. I had to search around for these a little bit in that $1 aisle. They're 3.3 ounce, but they are attaching to our digital coupons. I have a 3 off of 2 and a 2 off of 1, and these only cost $1. So we're gonna pick up 3 for $3, but we're gonna use that $5 in digital coupons to give us $2 in overage. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first deal. I'm gonna do this at a cashier. The reason I'm gonna do this at a cashier is because I want to get the overage for the Crest toothpaste, and the self-checkout at Dollar General usually doesn't give overage. It only reduces down to the price of the item, which I don't want. So I'm gonna go check out with the person so that that overage can apply to my detergent. So the total for this before our coupons is exactly $20, which is right where we want to be. So with 4 of these, I'm going to save a total of $5 in instant savings for the Arm & Hammer. That's going to bring us down to $15. Then we are still clear to use our 3 off of 15 because our total was still $15 after the instant savings. So that is going to bring us down to $12. Then we also have $5 in manufacturer coupons for the Crest, and that is going to bring us down to $7. But then we also have a $1.50 manufacturer coupon for the Arm & Hammer, and that will bring us down to just $5.50 for all 7 of these items, which is amazing. So here is a close-up of my receipt for this deal. Everything worked out perfectly. We paid $5.50 for 4 bottles of detergent and 3 toothpaste, which is the bomb. The next deal I'm grabbing is on the Planters nuts. So these are on a promo, another instant savings promotion where you save $2 instantly when you spend 10, and we have a new buy one get one free digital coupon. So let me show you how this deal is going to work out. All right, you guys, so these 2 are going to be $5.75 each, which should be $11.50 for both. We're going to save $5.75 with our buy one get one free digital, and we are also going to be saving $2 with our instant savings. That should make both of these just $3.75. And I saw on Facebook that this deal is not working at the register for some people, so you may have to try this as a pickup order in the app or try it at self-checkout if it doesn't work at the register for you. All right, you guys, so I just did the transaction at self-checkout with the nuts, and as you can see, it came up to $3.75 plus tax for both of those, which is a really nice price. Then next up, we're gonna grab one of these Sparkle 2 equal 4 double rolls. So these are $4 and we have a $1 digital coupon. Next thing I'm grabbing is the Febreze. So I'm gonna get this Febreze Ember. Hopefully these are $4 and we have a $2 digital coupon. That'll make this just $2. I'm also gonna be grabbing 2 of these Tresemme packets. These are $2 and we have a 3 off of 2 digital. That'll make them just 50 cents each. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my last all digital transaction. We have our Febreze, we have the Sparkle, we have 3 more of the Crest Pro Health, and then we have the 2 Tresemme. Our total before coupons is $15, so we are clear to use that 3 off of 15. And I am using a different Dollar General account. That is how I'm having more than one 3 off of 15. After the $2 digital for the Febreze, the $1 for the Sparkle, the $5 in coupons for the Crest, and the $3 for the Tresemme, I should be down to pay just $1 at the register for all of these items, grabbing all 7 items for just $1, you guys, which is going to be incredible. So let's go and see if this works out. So all right, you guys, this worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. My cashier was in awe of this transaction because this was so good, all digital. So we paid $1 for all 7 items, which was incredible, with a savings of $14. So please let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.